Good evening, Gina's here. Do you feel something is shifting, but you just don't know what is shifting? And in this video, I want to share with you some of my own symptoms I'm having right now that I like to tap into the energy field, maybe give you a little bit of this clarification so you don't think you are crazy or something wrong with you. So many of you, if you are very open, you are empath, very sensitive, these days things like dizziness. This morning I woke up, like I had decent enough sleep, but I almost feel that my brain, I still feeling that, by the way, just like this heaviness. At first, I was thinking, I was using my brain so much because I'm working so hard these days and facing computers, stuff like that. I thought that was the, feeling of from that. But like the whole entire day, today, the energy of the whole day is very intense, I would say, which means there's so heavy on your physical body. When I say heavy, I'm not talking about bad. I'm just saying that there's a lot of energy that are moving, shifting, that you don't know. Like your human mind doesn't know how to understand, how to decode that energy, because we usually connect with the energy first, then things will bring into your reality. And I think this is the hard part. So dizziness is one part, and nauseous. I don't know, this dizziness with nauseous the same thing, but I feel it's different. Like I feel even with my stomach, I feel like, at a certain point I feel like I'm gonna puke or purging or something, but I'm not. It's just like it's a nauseous feeling of that. And the ears pressure was so strong. My ears pressure has been very, very intense in the last couple of days. Almost feels like you are in those like go to the mountain, right? High elevation, then your ears start to have this high pressure. And I'm in my living room. I'm not going anywhere, not moving, but I can sense my ears, pressure was just building up. And your ear ringing, my ear ringing, I don't know about you, but my ear ringing these days, just like high pitch of ear ringing. Sometimes they will shift from left to right. Sometimes you have like clear shift. Those are things that I actually already have, but like today, especially, is this head sensation of this dizziness. And also there's certain energy in the heart center is very, like I don't have better word to say, but I have this like heavy, but again, it's not bad. It's just that I can feeling a lot of energies there, and I do not know whether it's nervous, sad, whatever it is. It's just like all feeling it, but I cannot name it. And I think that thing. And another weird thing that I noticed myself doing was I was driving home, and I had a one split second, almost felt like I don't know where I'm going. It's like, oh, like this road seems familiar. And I have like a 1 second a moment, just like, oh, should I get out of this exit or should I stay on it? Have a half second or 1 second of that, or I should keep going, but actually that's the exit that I need to go down the ramp. And I've been driving on that road for, I don't even know, like in the last 4 years have been back forward to this place for many, many times, never had that. And then that was tonight. And I also felt like the body's tightness, but maybe that's just myself. It's just this unspeakable feeling. And even when I meditate, okay, and you meditate on it, like you meditating, but you almost have this unsettled feeling of what I'm meditating here for, what, like what kind of content, peace and contentment that you try to settle from, because it's hard to settle when you don't know what need to be settled, if that makes sense. So by all this sensation, then you're wondering, Gina, so what's about this? Like, what's going on? How can I navigate? I think this is the part that I want to address, I actually might need to channel through that, because I have my own explanation. So take it with grain of salt, right? You guys always say that. So if this things doesn't resonate with you, just move through, and then you might encounter different videos that help you. Also, another sensation is this random that might be part of your body. Let's say for me, like I was just talking, this sensation of pulling from my back of the neck. Okay, it's just like a random body sensation kick in, and I can tell these days that my body can vibrate very high. That's something, if you are very excited, you can feel your body is vibrating super quick. But also, if you have something really angry, mad, you will feel this vibration on a different level. Some are more of a gentle, fluffy vibration, make you excited, make you feel like aligned, passionate. But if you are kind of mad, sad, kind of thing, you will vibrating as in also you are direct more of this energy. Okay, so we would just want to add that. So for what is going on and how we navigate, I'm actually going to channel through that. So give me 1 second. We as a goddess collective, and this channel is laughing because that's what she requests. But this channel has been open for different informations, and I think, and that's the dedication that she wanted. So the goddess intention is a goddess collective. Actually, that's why her LLC is actually goddess intention. That's where that come from. So today we are going to speak through this channel, because this is a very, 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 human world is very important timeline. That is one of the biggest portal that you guys are went through right now. So this is the portal that's going to change everything. Well, even though, we just want to emphasize on this big shift, big change. This is not a normal portal. This is one of the most intense, important, energetically that you felt, you feeling this shift. We are officially into the transition when we want to visualize that just like that's one soldier, right? They take a different shift. So now there's the moment of two soldiers. They take the shift, one step in, one step out, and you guys are on this step in and step out. You are watching this soldier come to you. You feeling this approaching to you, and it's super close, and you are ready to step out, or the new version you try to step in, and the older version you and step out. But there is no new old per se. They all you, because that's the frequency vibration. But we just want to use this metaphor to kind of explain, to walk you through what's really going on. So when the new energy come in, the older energy actually is making space. So there's a lot of let it be, a lot of things just releasing. When you are changing, when doing the shifting, you might need to hand over certain tools, or you might receiving the new tools. So this is also the moment of their part. A lot of things that you do not know what you are taking or what you are giving. Well, in this way, actually you are receiving, because the older version of you feeling like being elevated, but you do not know what is elevating yet, because it's energetically. You might see this new soldier bring something in front of you. You might see this shining object. You might see a sword. You might see certain things. You might see an energy. You might see what this person is carrying. So do you see? So you are feeling it, but you have grab into your hands and putting onto your body. So you do not know what it really look like. So this is we talk about energy. Now, This is very important because as far as you also know that 7 planet is officially lining up with the video that this channel is going to release is actually it's happening by 28th. That's the perfect moment the 7 planets going to line up. This is the one of 77-year cycle, and it's also the perfect alignments is every 300 years. So for a lot of you who are watching this video, this is your lifetime chance. If so what you are going through, this is a lifetime upgrading and a lifetime of changing and shifting. There's a lot of things when you step into the new portal, step into the new role, new we don't want to say identity, but some of you, yes, you will have a new identity. There's a lot of excitement. There are a lot of for many people, we are tapping into this collective that people are watching, will watch this video in next couple of days when you watch this video. And a lot of you are going through different emotional waves. It depends on which level you are at. Some of you may be excited, some of you maybe feel a little bit intense, some of you feel like opening, very expansive. Okay, so pay attention to your third eye, your own peace. Your own peace is so important. At this stage of the shifting transition, you want to be in a more quiet moment, more stay in your body so you can fully sense. A lot of you, your psychic ability will also open up as well. Many of you, like this channel, earlier she was talking about her ears and some of the third eye started seeing things or sensing things. So her own body is actually called aligning or attuning. You are get this attunement from this new energy. So you might have this body vibrating, right? You might have the energy in your heart center. Is all your different energy centers try to align with this new energy. So nothing to be feared. It's just more of this discomfort that's you, because you cannot put your hands on it. That's why there's a lot of your body doesn't know. Your body just feeling it, but doesn't know where to connect it. Actually, it's your brain. Your brain doesn't know what to connect to tell the body, say, hey, you are okay. So hope these messages are going to help you. We're complete. So hope this video helps. That actually helped me to understand more of this attunement. You actually can visualize. That was actually, I was already unintentionally doing that exercises. Actually, when I open my eyes, I feel more dizziness. When I was in it, I feel this clear, actually more centered. So there is a visualization, or there is an exercise you can do is, they are showing me, like, that's those like tapestry, especially those like meditation, right? People will see their meditations as 7 different chakra. So they want you to visualize that you are that person sitting straight or in a meditative state, that you can either from top to the bottom or the bottom to top, but visualize each chakra is perfectly aligned. And with this visualization, and you can also visualize the energies goes up like that. Or actually the energies goes like that, okay, goes up, but they stay in the column of your body from your bottom, which is your root chakra, to all the way top to the crown that goes out. Okay, you can create this energy field like that too, but you have this creating this. Actually, this body movement actually feels good too, because you are directing, you are intentionally, not just visualizing, but you are physically directing energy. Actually, I feel much better. I feel my head space feel better. Also, you can kind of massage your head. Sometimes if you have meeting with me these days, I'm probably doing that a lot. It's because there's a lot of meridian or the pressure points on top of your head. So frequent massages them can help you to actually ease the energy on your crown chakra as well. So whatever make your body feel comfortable, relaxed, will be easier to integrate this energy. However, they also want to say that you don't have to do this. This is actually, when you do this, this is actually have your body to have your easiest nervous system have better to integrate this energy. But if not, you're dreaming, you are even though you're doing chores, even though you are talking to your kids, this things are happening right now. It's not when you do those things are happening. When you don't do these things are not happening. No, when you do these things, it just make your body sensation a little bit easy on your body. But when you're not doing it, it's happening. Everybody is sensing on different level right now. So I really hope this video helps, and please follow, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join our Facebook, we actually started a Facebook group that allow people to share their healing story with different healing modalities. So if you're interested, shoot me a message that I will send you the Facebook group link, that feel free to join to connect with me and with that group in a more intimate way. And other than that, I have more to release these days, but I think I want to wait until March, the energy hit, and I'll have more grounded energy, because this is also not a great time to make the major decision, major shift. So I just allow things to happen, but a lot of things are already preparing, lay the foundation. And I wish you good luck, really sincerely from my heart. Is everything goes the way that it's so supposed to be. You're just at the perfect position to allow things to unfold for you, for your highest greatest good. Okay, good night.